Hello friends, this video on 3-dimensional geometry part 25 is brought to you by examfear.com. Lower fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched part 1 to part 24. Let's find angle between two planes in the vector form. So if I have two planes, r dot n1 is equal to d, right? And this is r dot n2 is equal to d. So if I have two planes on this fashion, the angle between them is nothing but the angle between the normals. So if you see, if this guy is making this is the normal n1 and this guy is making, let's suppose this guy is n2, so the angle between them is nothing but the angle between the planes. So in that case, the cos theta will be n1 dot n2 by magnitude of n1 into magnitude of n2. Very simple, because I know the normals, the angle between the normals, angle between normals is nothing but angle between planes. Correct? So I use this formula and got that. Let's do this in the Cartesian form. In Cartesian form, if I have two planes of this form, right, then in that case the angle between them will be a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by root a1 square b1 square plus c1 square and this. So logically also what is there is this I can write as actually r dot a1i plus b1j plus c1k is equal to minus d. Same thing I can write as r dot a2i plus b2j plus c2k is equal to minus d. So in this case, if you want to find the angle between them, you have to find this. This is n. If you see, this is nothing but n. This is also n. n1 and n2. So cos theta is n1 dot n2 by magnitude of n magnitude of n2. So this is nothing but n1 dot n2. If you see, will be this guy a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2, and magnitude of n1 will be root of a1 square b1 square c1 square, and magnitude of n2 will be root of a2 square b2 square c2 square. Correct? So if you have in the Cartesian form, you can use this formula. Both are one and the same thing. Here you have to find the angle between the planes whose the vector equations are this form, right? R dot. Please note here I am not having equation in this fashion, r dot n is equal to d, but here I have r dot n cap is equal to some other d. This d is not the distance of this plane from origin. This d is the actual distance. So, but the questions are of this form, so I won't be converting this into this form actually, because I can still survive with this because I'm anyway dividing by the magnitude. I'll show you. So if this guy is n1, this guy is n2, my cos theta is nothing but magnitude of n1 dot n2 vector by magnitude of n1 and n2. Correct? This is nothing but 2i plus 2j minus 3k dot 3i minus 3j plus 5k by magnitude of n1, that is root of 2 square minus 3 square, 2 square plus t square minus 3 square into 3 square minus 3 square 5 square, 3 square plus minus 3 square and 5 square. Correct? And the mod of this becomes 2 into 3 is 6, 2 into 3 is minus 6, and then it is 3 into 5 is minus 15 by this becomes actually root 17 and this becomes root 43. Mod of this. Gone. So that is 15 by root 731. This is my cos theta. So my theta is nothing but cos inverse of 15 by root 730. And that is my answer. Very simple. See, why I didn't convert r dot n vector is equal to capital D to r dot n cap is equal to d was because anyway I need this n vector. Even if I have n vector or n cap, doesn't matter. I just need to find the angle. So you can find the angle very easily with this formula. So let's take one more example. We have to find the angle between these two planes. So this is of this form actually. A1x, B1y, C1z, A2x, B2x, C2z. Right? So here I know formula cos theta is nothing but A1, A2, B1, B2 plus C1, C2 by root over A1 square, B1 square plus C1 square, which is A2 square, B2 square, C2 square. Correct? So A1, A2 is what? A1, A2 is 7 into 3, 21. And B1, B2 is what? Or let me write here. 7 into 3 plus B1 is 5, B2 is minus 1, C1 is 6, C2 is minus 10 by root over A1 square, that is 7 square, B1 square 5 square, C1 square 6 square. A2 square is 3 square, B2 square is minus 1 square, and C2 square minus 10 square. Correct? So this comes out to be 21 minus 5 minus 60, right? By this is C 49 plus 36. 49 plus 36 is 80. Sorry, 49 plus 36 and 25. Right? 110. And this guy is 9 plus 110 plus 100. This guy also 110. Correct? This is nothing but minus 44 by 110. And we take mod of this, right? So this is 44 by 110. This is cos theta. So theta is cos inverse of 44 by 110. I can make it 22 by 55 also, right? And I can make this guy as 2 by 5 also. Cos inverse of 2 by 5. And that is my answer. So very easy, we have these two planes in this form, and I just use the formula to get the answer. Direct application of. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.